Hello, how are you doing? Now in this video, let's continue. Now with this data, we need to, we're getting this JSON data, we need to use some methods such as stringify and parse, okay? So what I'm going to do is, I'm going to create a variable data equals to JSON, use this JSON.stringify method and apply this to the entire data. Now, what I also need to do is I need to get the, let's call it JSON equals to JSON dot parse. You can use the JSON dot parse as well and store that in a JSON variable. Okay, so I've added some comments here just to make sure that you don't get confused with the JSON stringify and JSON parse method. So why we are using both? Because we are getting different type of data and we need this functionality. Okay, and you will see this later. What we get is an object. So this stringify will turn the JavaScript object that we get into a JSON text and stores that JSON text in a string. Okay, so we need that functionality. That's why I'm using this data equals to JSON stringify, and I'm also using JSON.parse, which turns a string of JSON text into a JavaScript object. Now let's continue. What I've done here is all the data that we get, first I'm stringifying and then the same data I'm parsing it. Okay, so I'm using it as a JavaScript object. Using this, let's create a country variable and JSON location country. Okay, if you look at here, it's in the location. Okay, so location, it has the name of country, the region has the state name and the name, so on. Okay, so variable country is JSON location country. Variable, I also need city equals to JSON dot location dot name. It's under the name, and then also variable equals to JSON dot location dot region. Okay, so we got country, city, state, country, name and region. Name and region. Okay, that's great. Next, what I want is I want the temperature. Okay, so let's say temperature equals to JSON dot current dot temp underscore c. By the way, if you're not sure about this current object we have here, okay, so this is the location object, this is the current object, and it has all these properties for us to use, for example temperature, Fahrenheit, and so on. Okay, so you use this. So this is the temperature. Now this is temperature underscore Fahrenheit equals to JSON dot current dot temp underscore, because we want the users to give the ability to switch between Fahrenheit and Celsius. Okay, now variable last updated equals to JSON dot current dot last updated, and this last updated is a bit tricky one. As you can see, the last update, it has the dash sign here, dash. What I want is, I don't want dash, I want to have space instead. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to apply the replace method on this one. So what I'm going to replace is, I'm going to replace this dash with space. Okay, so that's done. Now let's also create a variable wind. This will be JSON dot current dot wind underscore kph. Okay, variable humidity equals to JSON dot current dot humidity. Okay, now next, time equals to JSON dot location dot local time, and I'm also going to use a split method on this one. I'm going to split the time into spaces. use the first one. Okay. Now variable time, if you look, location, so local time is in this format. So what I'm trying to do is I'm trying to get the second part of it. So this is the first, this is the second index. Okay, so I'm splitting both of them, and then getting the second one. So 0 is the first one, this 1 is the second. Okay. Now the next thing is the last thing we're going to do. Cloud equals to JSON dot cloud. Okay, so let's leave it. We have got all the variables. We have all the data stored in the proper variables. Now in the next video we can start targeting the DOM elements and display the result on the particular elements. All right, so I'll see you in the next video. Thank you.